First, we replaced the chrome front grille with our bare hands. And we replaced the side grille with 2 knives. Side fin, side emblem, I still don't know what it's called. After that, we took care of this emblem. We got it swapped out using some floss and a hairdryer. Our last job, we did that with a hammer and a socket. And the job we about to tackle today, all we need is 3M double-sided tape, and we'll get another one in the books. What it do, YouTube? This is the one, the only Kid Onyx, aka KO, coming at you with another video. And today, yes sir, we're replacing this guy. Or actually, we're not even replacing, we're just gonna put on a brand new spoiler. The look of this car is really about to come together. I'm excited. Let's just get straight to it. Idea is simple. We're just gonna put this onto the back of there, place it on, and voila, another easy mod you can do yourself. All right, but first things first, the area prepped. Now you can use isopropyl, you can use isopropyl alcohol, you can, do the most. My car's generally clean. I'm just gonna come at it with a little bit of Windex and just wipe off the area I'm gonna be working with. All right, you wanna just give that a little bit of time to dry. You wanna make sure it's completely dry before you put your stickers on. While that's drying, we'll go ahead and wipe down the part of your spoiler that's gonna make contact with the car. Just make sure it's nice and clean. Nice and clean. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. When I first bought this, I was a little disappointed because I wanted actual carbon fiber. This is more like a carbon fiber print. I don't know if you can see the difference. If I show you my hood, you'd be like, okay, that's carbon fiber. This is more like a print that's pasted on top of here. I might end up replacing it later on down the line with something a little more me. I don't like faux pas type stuff. If I knew this was like this, I would have just got gloss black. But I already purchased it, it's already here. I don't feel like returning it. And we're just gonna rock with it. But the thing I replace this with is gonna be sick. I got other stuff to do before I get there. Now we just put the tape across, put it on the contact areas where the spoiler is gonna contact the car. Easy. All right, so I kind of ran out of space for the one up here, so I just put it in the center. This should be more than enough to hold this onto the car. I always do the speed limit anyway, so there shouldn't be too much wind pressure trying to yank this off the car. Should be fine, I don't know. So now I'm just gonna press and make sure it's nice and bonded across the surface of the lip. All right, now before you set this on, you want to peel off a little bit of the tape where you can access it. It would look just like this on the ends. And now, we're going to gently place it on, make sure the fitment is right. Once you got it on where it needs to go, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna peel that tape back. And the reason you do both ends is in case this rips or breaks off, you got one last chance. Pull it off this way. And now you just press it down on there firmly. I'm gonna apply pressure for like a solid minute or two. Get it on there nice and tight. Hey Siri, set timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes starting now.
Quick side note, if you have a spoiler on there already and you're trying to remove that, watch this video right here when I removed that guy. Just follow the same steps they apply to your spoiler too, and then that'll get you right. The moment of truth. Oh yeah, that's 30. That's 30. I got a spoiler. Woo! Car's coming together so nice. Look man, Jack Frost's been on everybody's ass, so I've been inside the garage the past few, but just for y'all, I'm gonna take it outside, and I think it's raining. Listen close. If you still have these chrome tips on your car, none of this matters. If you still have these chrome tips on your car, watch this video. It'll get you right. Stop being a big jabroni. I'm out.